How's it going, everyone? I've got a new product here for you guys for a little unboxing and product overview. Obviously, we're going into our summer and spring months, and the use of coolers is a lot more needed. I'm also excited to announce a new sponsor for us over at Wild West Outfitters, and that is ZUBI Coolers. Now that we have the cooler in the box, let's go ahead and go over some of the unique features that comes with a ZUBI Cooler. First order of business, let's go ahead and go over how you're going to be getting into your cooler. They have a cam action ratchet style latch on every single one of their coolers that is very easy to use and operate. Just like that, your cooler's open. One unique thing about their latches is if you go ahead and flip those up, say if you accidentally slammed your hand in your cooler, didn't even slam on your hand, that's safety right there. Another thing you might notice on the cooler is that it says 50 to 80. So that means 50 quarts and 80 quarts. Yes, that does mean it's two sizes in one cooler. As far as I know, it's the first of its kind there. Yeah, it's got a couple unique features on the inside where essentially you're going to have a dry food and drink area separate from a water and ice cavity on the inside of the cooler. That inner dry area is 50 quarts. That outer area is 80 quarts. You can use the cooler either way, and it's pretty simple to take out this insert. Now that you have your cooler open, you'll notice the capacity of this cooler. It has 3 times the capacity of any of the competitor brands on the market. It can hold up to 96 cans of your favorite beer, soda. Especially us over at Wild West, you're going to know that these things are loaded up with Dr. Pepper for every hunt. A couple of the other really cool features on this cooler is the triple refrigerator style seal system on the inside of the cooler. You see those all right here. And what that is it's going to keep water from leaking out. It's going to keep heat from getting in. So your ice is going to last longer. And don't mind what just fell in the background, but yeah, essentially it's just going to keep your ice longer and keep stuff colder. You can't beat that. Some other cool features are this cooler comes stock with 6 bottle openers. There's going to be 2 in the front, 1 on each side, and also 2 in the back with the same style ones in the front. These coolers also have 2 temperature gauges on them, 1 on the top, 1 in the front, and that's going to be for 2 separate areas. The top one is going to be for if you have the insert in, so you can check the temperature for your dry area, and then the second one is if you have the insert out, or if you want to check the temperature for your ice and water area. It's going to be separate. Another cool thing about the coolers, if you go to the bottom side, you're going to see these legs right here. And they're actually reversible slip and non-slip feet. So if you flip them over, you can go ahead and have a slip one where you can go ahead and slide it all around the bed of your truck. Or if you have it stock, it's going to be non-sled. So essentially, it's stationary and you're never going to have it slide around on you. Obviously, with all high-end coolers, there's going to be accessories that are coming for this cooler as well. I haven't seen any of the accessories yet, but they're going to be coming to the market in the near future, as well as a bunch of other products from ZUBI. Soft coolers, cups, apparel, all that. So that's going to be coming for you in the near future as well. I'm definitely excited to go test out this cooler this year. It's going to be with me on all my hunts and adventures that I'm going to be on, and definitely be cool to see how it holds ice and how it compares to other brands. And we're definitely excited to have them as a new sponsor here at Wild West. So you can get yours today at ZUBICoolers.com. I believe they retail for $479.99. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys have a good one.